Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Boolean Gemini in Destiny 1. This powerful exotic scout rifle is a rewarding acquisition. Before you begin, ensure you have completed the main Taken King story missions. You also need to achieve rank 3 with the Queen's Wrath faction, which you can do by completing Petravenge's daily bounties. Your first major step is to pick up the Taken War, Petra quest from Petravenge at the Reef. This quest will send you across different planets. You'll need to defeat Taken champions on Earth, Venus, and Mars. While doing so, collect the required resources that drop from both Taken and fallen enemies in those patrol zones. Next, visit Varix in the Reef to start and complete the Wolves of Mars questline. Once both the Taken War, Petra, and the Wolves of Mars are done, Petra will offer the Lost and Found quest. This involves patrolling the Dreadnought, defeating 50 Hive in 3 specific locations, and then acquiring a Tech Witch's brooch from Court of Oryx bosses. After completing all the quest steps and reaching Queen's Wrath rank 3, head back to Petravenge in the Reef. She will then grant you the Boolean Gemini exotic scout rifle. If it doesn't appear immediately, sometimes waiting for a daily reset can resolve the issue. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy hunting, Guardians!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.